How to fix YouTube channel customization not saving on iPhone. Trying to change your channel banner, name or layout, but the settings just won't save? Let's fix that on your iPhone. Make sure you're using the YouTube Studio app. The main YouTube app has limited customization features. Customization changes may fail to save if your connection drops. Use a stable network before making edits. If your Studio app is outdated, it might not sync properly. Update it for better stability. And you're done. Your channel updates should now stick without any issues. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.